You must be aware that India is going to purchase 31 drones from the United States. India will purchase these MQ-9B drones from America's General Atomics Company. The US has approved the sale under this $4 billion deal and has sent the letter of acceptance to India. The letter of acceptance is a document that formalizes the agreement between seller and the buyer. This document contains details of the deal such as what is being purchased and in what quantity, what is the estimated cost, when it will be delivered, and what the terms and conditions are. So, as per the latest update, the US has sent the letter of acceptance. The next step will be approvals from both sides, after which the final contract will be prepared. Once the final contract is signed by both parties, the American company General Atomics will produce drones and deliver them to India. This mega drone deal will strengthen the strategic partnership between India and the US. Now, what will be the benefits of this deal? Firstly, it is unfortunate that we are seeing wars and conflicts in different parts of the world. Be it the Ukraine war in Europe or the Israel-Hamas conflict in the Middle East or the insurgencies and civil wars in various countries in Africa, we are witnessing active conflicts in many places in the world. Also, there are many places where conflict-like situations are emerging and there is a possibility of war in the upcoming future. Secondly, the nature of warfare is changing rapidly. Various technological advancements are taking place in the defense sector. Right now, the focus is on precision attacks and automation, development of cyber warfare tools, and using drones to destroy enemy targets. In such a situation, it is imperative to modernize the military so that it can quickly adapt to changing times. India will derive huge benefits from purchasing these drones. In high-risk operations, the lives of fighter jet pilots are in danger. Since the drones are unmanned, using them can significantly reduce troop casualties. Drones can be easily operated remotely for surveillance of vast areas. With real-time intelligence inputs, we will be able to make better informed decisions and gain a tactical advantage. Another major advantage is that drones are cost-effective. Traditional aircrafts are expensive. In comparison, drones are relatively cheap. Thus, using drones can lead to significant cost cutting and saving of resources to meet other military needs. Additionally, drones are smaller in size compared to aircraft, making them difficult to spot, allowing them to escape radar detection and operate near enemy positions. They can be deployed quickly and can be used to destroy enemy targets with precise attacks, providing tremendous operational flexibility. Purchasing these drones will boost our defense readiness by enhancing our real-time situational awareness. This is especially important considering the fact that our neighbors, Pakistan and China, happen to be so loving and peaceful.
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Out of the 31 drones that India is receiving under this deal, 15 drones will be for the Indian Navy and 8 drones each will be for the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army. The Indian Navy will receive the Sea Guardian version of the drone, which will aid in maritime patrol and information gathering. An anti-submarine warfare kit will be installed in the drone. With these drones, India will be able to guard the sea more efficiently. Deploying these drones would be a better alternative than deploying manned aircraft or patrol ships because, with the help of these drones, we can monitor vast stretches of the ocean at a fraction of the cost. These drones will provide us with real-time data, enabling us to track any suspicious activity and deal with the potential threats proactively. We will be able to reduce blind spots in the sea and cover critical choke points effectively. The 8 drones to be received by the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army will be the land attack version named Sky Guardian. By deploying these drones ahead of our troops, we can identify enemy positions, track enemy troop movements, and identify potential ambushes and hidden threats from a safe distance. This will enable us to protect our soldiers from the surprise attacks. By identifying targets, we can plan airstrikes and maintain air superiority. According to the company's claims, these drones will be operational in all weather conditions and can be used during both day and night. They are long endurance drones, which means they can stay in the air for extended periods, approximately 30 to 40 hours. As they are armed drones, they can carry missiles and bombs. The US is a major defense partner of India. The strategic partnership between India and the US plays a crucial role in maintaining peace, stability, and prosperity in the Indo-Pacific and South Asia regions. This latest drone deal will further boost defense cooperation between India and the US. This development is instrumental regarding the national security objectives of both countries.